Complete 15-piece water pump repair kit. For use on MerCruiser Alpha 1 General 2 drives, Mercury 40 to 60 horsepower 4-stroke BigFoot, command thrust outboard, 60 horsepower 2-cycle BigFoot, 75 to 115 horsepower 4-stroke outboards, 150 FE 4-stroke outboards, 70 to 90 horsepower 2-cycle outboards, 135 to 400 horsepower L4 L6 Verado. Produced to meet Mercury Marine original equipment manufacturer specifications to best protect your older Mercury or Mariner outboard and MerCruiser stern drive. Designed for durability to provide higher flow rates and cooling flow to protect your engine. Impeller elastomers provide improved flexibility across broad temperature ranges throughout the boating season. Kit contains gaskets, O-rings, plates, seals, impeller and key for installation with common tools. Top reviews from the United States. Nothing beats OEM quality parts. Bought this for my 1998 Alpha 1 Gen 2 Outdrive, worked perfectly. When it comes to critical parts such as this water pump or the rubber bellows for the Outdrives, spend the extra money and buy OEM parts. They last much longer and are less prone to failure.